Here is World Remarker channel. I will introduce the product Gens Ace 5600 mAh 6S1P ADC Lipo battery. The Gens Ace brand holds the traditional concept of excellent quality, optimization, and priority on sales and services. All batteries are tailored for various scales of OC models. This Lipo battery from Gens Ace is suitable for a 700 size AC helicopter, with a minimum capacity of 5600 mAh. Its size is 16.5 times 4.5 times 4.7 centimeters, and the weight is 863 grams. The white plug is the balance connector, and the connector type is XXtrem, while the blue plug is the EC5 plug. This battery can be discharged continuously for ADC and has a burst discharge multiplier of 160C. Finally, dosing instruction sheet included with the battery. The unboxing sharing of Gens Ace batteries ends here. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us for more exciting videos.